Hi, I'm John, and this is my partner Dave. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Periodically, we'll take you through how to solve common household issues. Today, we'll be installing this elongated bowl seat with quiet close technology by Kohler. But we're not going to flush a bunch of time down the drain. We're going to get to it. First, we'll remove the old toilet seat by flipping up the flap, then reach underneath to secure the nut with your hand, while unscrewing the plastic bowl from above until it's loose enough to finish by hand. Hold the bowl in place until the nut is completely removed. Finally, remove the bolt. Then we'll repeat the process for the other side. Finally, we'll remove the second bolt and carefully remove the toilet seat. Now we're ready to install the new Kohler toilet seat. First, we'll open the door that covers the bolt and drop the bolt into place. Then, thread the nut from below. Then we'll repeat the process for the other side. Finally, make sure that the toilet seat is properly aligned and tighten both plastic bolts. Finally, we'll close both doors. With this one quick project, your late night bathroom experience can go from this to this. Thanks for joining us. See you next time on Get to It.